Gotta check this out. Look at that thing. Oh my God. That's a big spider. And it's got babies right there. Oh, I gotta change lenses for this.
After doing some research when I got home, I found that this is probably a striped fishing spider, and they're one of the biggest spiders in North America. This particular one had about a 3-inch span from tip to tip on the legs. And it's pretty neat because it spins a web and uses it for a shelter for its babies. Well, here comes lure number 1.
Okay, let's go. I'm a little nervous. That spider is right behind me here, so I gotta keep an eye on that.